Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I've got a really good recipe for you for some barbecue chicken quarters we're going to be doing on the grill. This is very easy to do, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and season our chicken quarters. Now it's optional if you want to leave the skin on or off. I like to leave the skin on, and use your favorite seasoning. I've got this Cavender's. I'm trying it for the first time today. A buddy of mine, my friend Michael, actually gave it to me a little while ago to try, so we're going to give it a try. And we want to get both sides of this, so first we're going to get this, and then we'll flip it over and get the other side. So here we have our grill. It's been preheating for about 15 minutes right now, and it's on low heat, about 400 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put these on. We're going to put them skin side up for the first round. And at this point, we're going to go ahead and cover them and come back in about maybe 15 minutes. So here we are about 15 minutes later. We're going to go ahead and turn these over. Now we're going to put our first layer of barbecue sauce on. You can pick your favorite barbecue sauce. Then go ahead and brush it on there. Then we'll go ahead and cover them and come back and check on them in about another 10 to 15 minutes. So here we are, probably closer to about half an hour later. Now I know I said 15 minutes, but I kind of forgot chicken quarters take longer. Plus, I like my chicken a little bit more on the crispy side. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip these over again. Then we're going to go ahead and put more barbecue sauce on them. And now we'll cover them again and come back and check on them shortly. So here we are about another 15-20 minutes later, and we're going to pull them off. And here you have it. Our barbecue chicken quarters are done. I've got this one on a plate with some red skin potato salad. No, I did not make that. That I got from the store. But let's give it a taste test. I like it a lot, and I really think you're going to like it too. So give it a try and let me know what you think. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.